Hello, welcome to Slurpsy. This is our first ever video. We will be making a cranberry limeade, we hope tropical style.
So for our first ingredient, we will need sugar.
Yes, the sugar. Next you will need cranberry juice. Not diet cranberry, just regular cranberry.
Okay, then we will also be needing some
Crystal Light Raspberry Lemonade Artificial Flavoring Drink Mix. You don't need to use too much of it. Next, you will be needing a lime. It wouldn't be called limeade without it. Moving on to the like utensils and stuff like that. For as many drinks as you're making, get that amount of spoons. Then, to make it tropical, you'll need these straws. You'll need a knife to cut the lime, and if you can't do it by yourself and you need a parent, ask a parent to help you. Trust me, we're professionals. And finally, what we're going to use to pour the materials in, besides the utilities, these cups. Well, let's get this recipe started. Moving on, we're going to start making our tropical drink. So first, we're going to make 1 cup at a time. You're going to take the cranberry, pour as much as you need. That should be good enough for now. And I think we should put the sugar in.
Yes, we should go with the next step, putting the sugar in.
Yeah, we're gonna need a spoon for this. Should be good enough.
And then we will
Put a little bit of this Crystal Light Raspberry Lemonade Artificial Flavoring Drink Mix. Hopefully, this works right. Okay, got a little tear. Should be working, hopefully.
Technical difficulties.
Yes. Should be enough.
Just so you know, this is our first time making this.
Yes, so if it doesn't work, we have 1 more attempt, maybe 2. And if we're lucky enough, up to 3. Now, we're going to need to cut the lime.
I can do that.
Okay, we're going to need a thin little bit. Then we'll
Let's do this. This side is a little bit more fresh.
yeah.
Just like kind of a lot. I think they should be good. This could be enough to make a few drinks right here.
Okay, so I'll take the knife and cut this in half. And we're gonna squeeze just a little bit. And put this just right there. Voila, 1 drink. And before we try it out, we need to put some ice in here. Maybe just 1 to 2 cubes in for this little drink. Perfect. Now, let's move on to the second drink. Start with that little bit of cream grape. That should be good. Now, the sugar. Now we're gonna mix it in. Okay. Then some of this difficult to get out Crystal Light Raspberry Lemonade Artificial Flavoring Drink Mix. Oh, way too much. But there is a little bit of extra cranberry in that one too. Now, time for that lime squeeze.
Now we'll get the ice out.
And voila, we're almost done. We hope you enjoyed this. If you make it too,
Here's the ice.
finally, our ice. Now we have 2 tropical cranberry limeade. Sorry, I'm having a hard time speaking today. Now let's try it out. 3, 2, 1. That's good.
Yeah, it is.
You can taste
Kind
that.
of sour.
You can taste that lime,
Yes, for sure.
and it gets better as you go.
Maybe we didn't put much in as much as we should have.
Yeah, but we hope you like this. If you put lime in this, if you put a little bit of lime in this, make sure you put not as much as you need. Well, that's the end of our how to make a cranberry limeade. Hope you